I'm in one of my newest Airbnb units. I just set this up yesterday and got it set on Airbnb, and it's rented today. So I want to talk to you about a 5-minute tip that'll save you hours of headache and dissatisfied guests. And it is just a simple task that I've used on every single unit to ensure that I don't miss anything. I go through my unit as if I'm a guest to make sure that everything is in place. I go through the check-in instructions. I make sure that the address comes up on Google Maps. I make sure that the key code works on the keypad. And then I make sure that everything is in place as if I was staying there. So I'm going to turn the camera around and kind of walk you through the steps that I go through to make sure that everything's in place. So I check to make sure that the TV works. I make sure that there's a comfortable place to sit. Is it decorated nicely? Is there a place to eat or a workstation? Is it presentable? Is there soap in the laundry room? Is the refrigerator clean? I'm just going through and checking to make sure that everything is presentable. There's ice in the ice maker. All right, I have a coffee maker. Do I have mugs and coffee? Absolutely. Do I have silverware? Silverware, hot pad. Are there cooking pans, pots and pans? Yes. Paper towels, knife set, plates, bowls, hand soap, dishwashing detergent, dishwasher soap, trash can I have ordered. It'll be here today. I always forget the trash can for some reason, but in the kitchen. Do I have trash bags and supplies? And I have some of those as well. And then I go in the bathroom. Is there soap? Washcloth, makeup remover, towels, extra toilet paper, a shower curtain, body wash. Is there a place to hang the towel? I've forgotten those in the past as well. Is it clean and presentable? In the bedroom, there's plenty of room to put some luggage. The bed is made. Is there a place to plug in a smartphone or iPad? And absolutely, these are the kind of things that the attention to detail that makes a difference and a better guest experience. Guys, that is all it takes. Take 3 to 5 minutes to check your unit out before your guest so that you can ensure that your guests are going to be happy, they're going to be comfortable, and they have everything that they need. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It does help the algorithm. And as you can see, I'm just getting started in this social media stuff, so I'm posting videos, I'm sharing my knowledge. I have 30+ years experience in the hotel industry and in real estate investing. I have a real estate course. Check out the link below. Also, if you have any comments or would like to see a specific video on anything real estate, finance, credit cards, please comment below and I will make a video of those topics in the future. Thanks for watching.